Hey guys, today I'm working with a Samsung HE matching washer and electric dryer set. And I've got this guy loaded down, pretty heavy jeans and towel load. So we're gonna go ahead, we just got it on heavy duty, warm, load size. You know what, let's switch that up to an extra large, and then we're just gonna hit start. Now it's gonna lock the lid, so you can't open that there. Nice little safety feature. It's going to go ahead and fill up. So we'll be able to come back and you'll be able to listen to it agitate. You'll be able to see and hear that it drains the water out. And then we'll get a look at the nice and fast, smooth spin cycle. Then we'll move on to the dryer. The washer gets a 28-point inspection. The dryer gets a 22-point inspection. Everything electrical, mechanical, it all gets checked. And everything has to work perfect before it leaves my care or gets listed up for sale. Alright, so we filled up now. I actually missed the first video, so I'm running it again, this time on quick wash, and this seems to determine the amount of water that's in the tub. And right now you can hear it agitating. It's got a nice strong agitation and full submersion on those clothes too, so it does not skip on the water, which is nice. You know those clothes are getting fully submerged, so you know they're getting clean. And still washing. Like I said, you can hear the agitation. You're sloshing everything around in there, so you know everything's getting nice and clean. We'll come back for the draining and the final spin. Alright, moving out of the wash cycle into the rinse cycle. You can hear it draining that water out nice and fast. So from here it's going to spin out, it'll fill back up, rinse, then it'll drain out, and then do the final spin. And since we know now it agitates correctly, obviously you heard it filling up with water, now draining out with water, we're going to allow it to go through that rinse cycle, and then we'll come back for the final spin. Alright, and now we've started into that final spin process. Now this also has a self-leveling, self-balancing process. So this motor is going to kick on and kick off several times until it feels, auto senses, I guess you'd say, that the load is balanced, and it can go into a high-speed spin cycle. And sometimes it could be 3 times or it could be 7 times, however many times it takes to get the load balanced, and then it kicks into the high spin. So we'll let it go through this sensing portion, and then I'll come back when it's spinning nice and fast and show you. Alright, and we are on the final spin. You can see it spinning nice and fast. And I tried to count, and I think it was 6 or 7, and it kind of gained speed a little bit as it went. If you can hear it there, it's spinning nice and fast. Nice smooth operation. Sounds great. So we're going to let this finish up. Then we'll move the clothes over to the dryer and show you that the dryer works. Alright guys, now we've got those clothes moved over to the matching electric dryer. You can see there's plenty of options on there. I've got it set to normal dry, high heat. And I'm going to show you with my surface temperature gun here, right in between those 2 red dots. It's going to give us a temperature measurement. So we'll go right in between, right up there in the heating element tube. You can see there's plenty of heat coming out of that tube there, in turn heating the inside of the dryer up. So the inside of your dryer is going to get anywhere from about 95 up to 195, and that just depends on what you have your heat setting at up here. So of course you got extra low for your delicates. You can do manual time, and it gives you a LED along the way here. It also has a child lock feature and filter check as well. So plenty of options, plenty of features. We're going to do a tiny little bit of touch up on this. A couple little things here that will touch that up, make that brand new again. And there you have it. That's it for this set. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I do appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. Thanks, and have a great day.